Hi guys, I'm Joey from Toronto. Apparently Tony's doing some Tornado Tony shots with the crew here. So, making up history.
These shots are called tornado.
Bad idea. Don't do this, kids.
I'm gonna hold this. Watch how fucking crazy. How many?
Right.
She won't do it. I wanna watch.
Okay.
You want to watch? Nobody watches here.
They told me about it. I can't do it.
No, you have to do it. Watch.
I'm scared.
Scared.
What happens is I'll do it first,
Yeah.
and then
Apparently we have paparazzi here as well. They're taking
I'll do it one at a time.
Oh my god, coming out of a shot at us. Oh my god. The tornado is coming out of a shot at us. This glass is, I mean, it's amazing. Okay, she's taking a picture. I gotta do it. Wow, yeah. Yo, picture just this. The fucking full tornado.
Apparently Tony's a superstar. People take pictures. So
Paparazzi stuff.
Tony
I'm
something.
gonna do the first one. Just show you how to do it.
Okay, Boosie, watch. He's gonna do the first
Right.
one. I'll show you.
And you need to line up because you do it one at a time.
Okay, ready? You guys gotta line up.
Don't do this at home, please. Don't.
Is this fresh ball?
You have to
Grass,
see the
yes.
timing. You have to watch. It's fucking insane.
And Tony can speak Spanish. He's fucking bilingual. Look at that shit. Who knew?
Right, here we go.
Watch. Watch what he's gonna do. Sugar. Watch, he's gonna stir it. It's gonna foam up like a fucking science experiment. Look at it. Look at it go. Yeah, my boy. No.
Who's next?
Me, but I want a little bit. I just want a little bit.
Well, no, Anne is next, isn't she?
Oh no.
That's all I want.
The measurement isn't to get you drunk. The measurement is a chemical reaction.
Oh no, but I can't. Okay, then I can't take it off.
We'll give you water. Just drink lots of water after.
Oh, see this? I don't want to let it run. That's my one. Stupid. That's good. That's perfect. No, that's good. Okay, that's good. Oh,
You do the tornado. You do it right.
Come on. I'm dying to pee. Okay. Here we go. I'm dying to pee.
Okay, here's the next contender.
Take a stir.
Okay, I'm taking the stir.
Right, you're gonna
Stir.
just do what I say. I'm gonna say stir, and I say chug.
Okay.
Right?
Would you hold it?
Ready?
Ready?
You have video.
You ready? I'm readier than you are. Ah! I'm so scared! Yay! No,
Stir.
I need more Coke!
Stir.
Ah!
Chug.
Chug. Oh, come on. Oh, come on.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Bad boys!
You're weak.
I did it all! Are you
You're weak.
crazy?
Who's next?
Tears in your eyes and everything.
You're next.
Are you kidding? None of these guys are gonna do the same thing.
So weak.
I need clean hands.
Annie's next.
Listen,
Fuck me.
I'm weak.
Just
Why
go
did
for
you
it.
try?
Look at this. That's how a
Just go
professional
for
does it. Chug.
Got it.
Over
the head when you're done.
Oh, Annie, you chip
the
it.
head.
Oh, hey.
Thank you, Pinocchio. Oh my god, thank you.
Who's up next? You're up next? All right, let's go. Let's go do a Tony Tornado. All right, here we go. Load this up. No? Not up for the challenge. Who's next? You're next. You're next. Coming up.
Anne, go and get him. Anne, fetch him. I did it. Start. You and me.
Listen, he wants to try.
Oh, hey, here we go. We got a new guy on the block.
Turn around for a second. Turn around. I gotta see your shirt. His name is Tornado Tony. He's gonna take a tornado shot. You don't even know what to do. Alright, let's go.
Oh, you're chugging that.
Hold on.
She said she ain't chugging shit.
I did it. Oh my god.
Annie.
What are you chugging?
Well, hang on.
What is it?
This chap here. Wait, hey, listen. Come here. Little man, come here. You're on video. Introduce yourself. Who are you?
I'm Zoran Zeko. I'm from
Let me get around the
Canada.
coke, amigo.
Whereabouts in Canada?
Toronto.
Whereabouts? Toronto's a big city.
Saga.
Saga. That's not Toronto, brother. That's Saga.
GTA.
No, that's not.
Are you gonna chug with me?
I'm throwing. I'm
You
Linkster
have
and
to chug
Brown.
with me. I didn't see, man.
I will do it
I
before
should
you.
speak louder.
All right, GTA. We'll go with
But we
GTA.
have to do it
Oh,
separately.
no, we'll do it together.
No, but it's,
Whereabouts in
I've got
Saga are you? Dundas and
And it's
what?
a reaction.
Close to Milton.
Milton. So you're on Winston Churchill and something.
Right.
401 and Winston Churchill.
See? I'm from England and I still know Saga as well.
And where's my sugar?
You have to make music,
Sugar.
I'm from Canada.
Yeah, we're so fucking.
Come on, what the fuck?
I already cried like that. Of course.
Just fill it up. Gracias.
Hold on.
And then
What? Lemon, Coke, and sugar.
we have 80.
Oh my god, I had 7 tonight. 7. I like it. This is my last night, so make sure I know my This is my last night, okay? Party was
Do the rum, do the sugar, take the coke.
Where's the rum?
tomorrow.
Just about, I'll do it all together and you've got chocolate while it's both.
I wish I
No, not that.
Oh, no,
Whoa, not that. Not that.
No, that's neat rum.
Not that.
Right. Right.
shot, man.
Well, we, okay.
All right, brother.
Okay.
A little bit more.
No. Oh, you.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, this is evil.
No, wait. Listen.
He's doing it.
Let him do it. He knows what he's doing. Let him do it.
Hold on. Yeah. Oh no, you need the stir up.
Okay.
I'm too young to drink shot. If I do it, I'll die.
Do it, okay?
Okay, chug it, brother. Chug it all the way in. Oh, yeah, buddy. Yes. You're a good man. All on camera. Go to Discovery.
Okay.
Who's next?
Next one.
I did one. No, I already did one.
My next victim.
Come here. Step up to the plate.
Step up to the plate.
Am I gonna be a John Doe? Or am I gonna survive?
No, you survived. We all did. We all did.
Let's be like this. If you introduce yourself to the camera,
We'll know who you are when we
we'll
find
know
you.
who you are. You won't be a John Doe.
I'm Jason from Toronto. Jason Brown, you better remember, I might die. He's responsible. The cameraman's responsible. Don't you forget it. Send him to jail. Life.
He's already drunk, so we will ignore all the comments.
No parole.
Quick disclaimer, everyone else who does this by themselves, play it slowly.
All right, there we go.
Do you want me to do it first?
No, get one for me.
I'll do it. You want me to do it first?
Oh, look, just one spot for you. Just one spot for you.
Oh.
Evil.
Ladies first.
Evil.
Go right ahead.
Yeah.
Ladies first.
Okie dokie.
Let me get one, amigo. Let me get
Oh
one.
no, I could I have another
We're going to go back
rum?
here.
Ladies first, amigo.
Right. Fair amount of rum. Chuck that in there.
Holy shit!
You bung that in there.
Here we go.
Okay, let me do this first.
Come on.
Chug. Oh, yeah.
Down in one.
Here we go.
Gracias.
Yeah. Thank you.
Ready?
Look,
I need more sugar.
He's actually going to give you a smaller one, not even all of it. Here.
No, because I'm a lady, the gentleman should have more.
No, man.
Amigo.
Look how much that is.
Oh no, you don't. No, this is just what we call it.
This party's turned out of control.
Yes. Listen,
I'm going to turn it up there on the right.
we're not prejudiced. We hate everybody.
Equally.
And I hate you guys. I don't like English people. No.
I'll tell you what. You say that now, but in the morning you will really
Let's
mean
get
it.
this over with. I'll try my best. Let's get this over with. Let's do this. This is Monica, Sophia, and Chelsea.
You got mine right.
What's yours?
Okay. Do you have a camera ready for your shot?
Nope. I need
Oh,
yours.
your battery's going.
Oh, bugger.
Let's do this quick.
Quick.
Yeah, quick.
Okay.
Quick, hurry
I
up.
want my girl with me. I need my
Hold the stirrer. Just do what I say when I say. Let go. Right. Just do what I say when I say.
Stir.
Stir.
Chug, 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 chug.
Over your head when you're done. Chug, chug, chug. Go away. And over the head.
Hey, buddy. There you go, Mike. You're good. You're good. Take it in. Yeah.
Can the cameraman get agua, por favor?
Oh, yes, I can. This is water. Casualty of war. Here we go. Tony's ruining people. Sorry, repeat that comment again, sir.
You guys are the best people in the world. Forget what I said before. These guys are the best people in the world.
Yay!
Right.
We are.
Here you go.
We are.
You only
I'm
live
going
once.
to do you the biggest favour.
Just in case we don't find him tomorrow morning, please keep that on record. Chug, 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 chug. No, I'm kidding. Don't chug. Don't chug that.
Drink water.
I need to really chug it, believe me.
Okay, Annie, how you keeping?
Anything else?
Are you hammered yet?
9, 5,
Sure.
7.
Smells like something's burning, eh? What the fuck is that?
On Facebook, like.
You took that. I saw you.
Okay.
Tornado.
How's the battery doing?
It's dying.
Ask Tony.
Just hit me.